Alabama. We have us a Prowler here. Big Plymouth. And a V8.
Okay.
67 Plymouth and 61 Plymouth Fury. And this is a 70 Plymouth Silverbird. This is a car I wanted when I was a younger teenager. I thought this was the coolest car. This is a 1950 Buick. '57 Cadillac Fleetwood and '72 Olds Cutlass. And this is the Fox 5 Atlanta Storm Chaser.
Go Pens! I know.
Here's the Ford all-electric, about $42,000. It's a cute car. This has a big electric motor right here in the front. This is the Mustang Shelby.
That is also an all-new design. And we have a 2014 Fiesta S Sported out.
That's a muscle engine.
Inside and out. That is the one you want to take a look at.
Really like this Toyota. It has no door handles. This has a bus right there at the door for you to get in. Plug in here. This is a Prius. It's $27,000.
Smart for your wallet and for the gas economy.
This is the new Dodge ProMaster. In the earlier days, they called them Sprinters, but they've totally redesigned this van, and it is called the Dodge ProMaster. The Dodges that were made 02 through 06 were Sprinter Dodges. And here is the new Lexus, all the different models that Lexus has. Hyundai has a good lineup here. Here's the Sonata. And here's the Genesis. One thing neat about this Sonata is you see it has a total sunroof for the front passenger and for the rear passenger. This is a Honda Odyssey, 45,000 for a new Honda Odyssey. Inside view of the Odyssey. And there's the Honda Civic. This is the Honda Fit. It's about 17,000. It's about 31 miles to the gallon. It's a cute little car, $17,000 for a Honda. Oh, the Honda Fit. This is the Honda Accord. 29 miles to the gallon. It's about 25,000. This is the Honda Hybrid Civic, gets 44 miles to the gallon, and its price is about $25,000. This is an Insight, gets 34 miles to the gallon, it's about $24,000. Kind of a sporty looking thing. This is the four-door Insight. It's 42 miles to the gallon, and its price is $22,800. $22,800. And this is the Ridgeline. It gets 17 miles to the gallon, which is not real good for a Honda, but it sells for $35,000. And it is a 4-passenger. And of course, in the background there is the Mercedes Sprinter. Fabulous van. Gets probably the best gas mileage of any vehicle made in a van. This Sprinter sells for $38,000. This is the Sprinter work truck. You see it has all the compartments on the side where you store your tools. And it has a lot of room in the cab. Another thing about these diesel Sprinters is everybody you talk to, they get from 4 to 600,000 miles. This is the Nissan high top van.
Better this year. It's, you know what?
hot top vans are getting to be very popular now, both as a work van and as a family van.
I got, well, as far as food goes, I do have CPS
This
one.
is the Infinity section. Vehicles that they have. This is the BMW section. This is Kia Sorento. It's about 21 miles to the gallon. And the price is $38,000. And here's some Kia cars. This is a Kia Fatman car. As you can see, it has the bat on the front. If you look into the light right there, you can see the bat in the light. This is their Superman car.
Look at the seats. They have the S.
Oh, they got the Superman on the seats. They have the big Superman here on the hood.
And
That
it's
is
got
a
the red lighting.
car.
And it's a hybrid. It's a hybrid.
Hybrid too. A GMC conversion van. Sits 11 people. $68,000.
Made special for fat Americans.
And this is the Chevrolet vehicles. Trucks, cars.
Oh, let me see the futuristic Corvette.
This is a Corvette CR.
That is our newest addition to the Buick lineup. It just came out about a month ago into dealers. And we're definitely excited to have this unique vehicle now in our lineup. As you can see, it's our first ever luxury compact crossover. So almost like a baby enclave. That's our 7 or 8 passenger cabin crossover and our best-selling vehicle in the lineup. So what we did is basically just strip it down, keep everything you love, and turn it into our 5-passenger compact crossover. Now let's take a look at the interior. You have all those fluid sculptural shapes, combining great with detail to really give you an elegant and sophisticated cabin inside. Here we have our full tone dark gray and titanium interior.
There's this boat right here. Okay, it's coming here on the boat. This is an all-electric car. Boat is $44,000 and gets about 98 miles to the gallon. Equipment. And this is Cadillac area. XTS. This is Paul Mullins with Walton Entertainment, and we're here at the Atlanta International Auto Show, and we're going to show you some clips, quite a few cars here, and we hope you enjoy all the new cars, seeing what they have out on the market and some of the futuristic cars.